You're the concierge guy and the videographer. Like, we're building a job for you.
Is this like a job interview right now?
And you're the job.
Turn around. I'll take the job.
I'll take the job.
I think I gotta go down to 3/4 for that. No, can't quite fit my skinny little wrist back there.
That's fine there. Now,
All we need to do is this guy's angled up a little bit and push down so it actually lines up with our hole. Sweet. Pry bar or something. Scroogey.
pocket pry bar.
Yeah.
Right? Official pocket pry bar. Okay.
Just get 3 or 4 to make our holes are. We gotta come in a little more. I bet you that's what's catching on us.
Yeah, we'll hit this one here. Because we gotta mark it and cut it. Guten Tag! We're Germans. It's not gonna go until we get this piece in. Just like you did on this other one.
Yeah.
Right here.
Yeah, exactly.
Just peel apart.
Cut right there.
Yeah.
Come at it from the side.
Yep.
Gotcha.
And then we'll glue onto that. What do you think?
Smaller wheel on first.
See all of our little pieces? We made a little special tool to get these off. You want to see it? Prevo part 673927. I'm just kidding. It's not a Prevo part. It's a Milos part. Milos isn't here this week though because his dad's in town, so he's hanging out. So we got to do everything for him. I mean, it's not like he does anything anyways, but right, Yuri? We got to do everything for Milos anyways. He doesn't do anything.
CNN, Fox News Radio, MSNBC, and more. When information is power, choose your source wisely.
Watch, here we go, right here. Oh, look at that. Yeah, those are bright, dude. They match the inside color too.
Yeah, it's bright, super bright. That's good.
You said there's one on the compressor? And your filter dryer's up top?
Yep.
Okay. Because that's going to tell us how much to put in is looking at the sight glass on the filter dryer.
Okay.
So as you slowly add it, when that and the system's running,
You're talking about nitrogen or the refrigerant?
the refrigerant.
Yeah. Okay.
Once you add the Freon to it, get it up and running, add some, that little sight glass that's on there, once it goes clear, that means it's full. So, all right, we'll hook the gauges up.
So here's a compressor. We're doing a rooftop AC, which you can't really see. But then we installed a secondary compressor right here. Pump AC for the back components, or back compartment basically for all the people sitting back there. And then you got the evaporator up there. Jeffrey did a wonderful job getting it all plumbed in. Ready for a nitrogen test after they get these lights all wired up on the lifts. Right, Jeffrey?
That's right.
What you want
Nitrogen time.
Nitrogen time.
So you guys took the keepers off? Oh,
Yeah.
really?
Yeah.
It's not holding much pressure.
It's not holding?
That one's full of shit.
Taking a shit ton. You hear a leak?
I hear something. I don't know if it's just going through the line.
Yeah, it's building up.
Yeah. Probably got to compress the
Soak
air
into the
that's in
lines.
there. Cool to fill up the coil.
All right, you're at 200.
200 and holding.
Yeah, just a skosh over 200.
You want to sit for 5 minutes or what?
Or are you feeling lucky you go to 250?
400. What's operating pressure? 300 static pressure.
Now, your operating pressure typically is going to be probably about 75, 80, and 200. But we can go up a little bit higher.
So far so good, Jeffrey.
Right, you're at 250.
Let her hold, right?
Yep.
Yep.
The passenger AC system, which has a condenser up on the roof and then an evaporator in the cabin, which then has the compressor, which is driven off the motor to pump the compressor. And yeah, we nitrogen tested it to make sure that it holds pressure, because if it doesn't hold pressure, nitrogen's way cheaper than Freon. Plus, we don't want Freon going out into the environment. But yeah, they should have it charged up here hopefully today. It's holding pressure.
Oh, I've been in that bus.
They're bottoms, that's fine. Careful on the screws though. You gotta take them in the back and assemble that back lounge up there. This is probably the corner. Go grab that last one. Rear seat. XL2. Okay. I don't know what that means. It's like a Jenga puzzle. Oh, here. This one goes there. See the cutout. Right. Maybe. Okay, there's that, right? This probably goes. Something like that. See, I do sweep up. Gotta wear whatever hat at the time that it's needed.
There we go.
Oh yeah, much better.
Much better.
We're in.
Just mop the floor. Thanks, Jeff.
Job security.
Yeah.